This is a review of CosmeRNA, a new tonic that is applied directly on the scalp to regrow hair for people with hair loss. Synergin Therapeutics is the manufacturer, and they are based in South Korea. In the interest of full disclosure, we at Basic Hale have not tested CosmeRNA. The tonic was released in Europe in May 2023, and it is not yet available in the United States. According to epidemiological studies, up to 85% of men and 40% of women will eventually have alopecia or hair loss at some point in their lives. Understandably, there is $1 billion market for products with any promise of reversing hair loss. This review will focus only on the information available on CosmeRNA. Therefore, we ask these questions. What is the active ingredient? Does it work? What are the adverse effects? Has it been approved by any regulatory agency? How much does it cost? And where can you buy it? Information on the website of CosmeRNA shows these active ingredients, the most important of which is stearyl disulfide hexyl DNA-2-PEG-45//sh-RNA-1, a very long name. The second part of this complex substance is the nanoparticle responsible for the reversal of hair loss that Synergin Therapeutics claim that their new tonic can do. sh-RNA-1 means short hairpin RNA-1. It is an artificial small interfering RNA that inhibits or interferes with gene expression. It was designed to interfere with the expression of androgen receptor genes in hair follicles. This makes hair follicles less sensitive to testosterone, and theoretically, it will reverse the shrinkage in the size of hair follicles and prevent stunted growth in hair follicles, both of which happens in male pattern hair loss. Fortunately, people with bald heads or bald patches still have hair follicles. The hair follicles are just experiencing stunted growth. If this product works according to the claims of Synergin Therapeutics, stunted hair follicles may experience normal growth again. DNA-2-PEG-45 is a DNA strand that binds to short hairpin RNA-1 to form a hybrid compound. The hybrid compound can spontaneously create peptides in the scalp. The hybrid structure is required for sh-RNA-1 to perform its function efficiently. The other ingredients listed are solvents to dilute the main active ingredients, to condition the hair, to help absorption into the scalp, and to give soothing sensation on the scalp. At the time of recording this video, only one study that tested the product on humans had been published. The study tested CosmeRNA at low dose, then at high dose, on people with hair loss. The study showed very minor increases in hair mass after using the product for 24 weeks. However, this study has 3 issues that should provoke doubts in the minds of discerning consumers for the following reasons. 10 out of the 14 authors of the study are directly employed by Synergin Therapeutics or their partner company, Bioneer Corporation. This means that this singular study on the product is sponsored by the manufacturer. This is a major conflict of interest that significantly reduces the credibility of the findings. While it is acceptable for manufacturers to publish research on their own products, credibility in this scenario can only be gained when other independent researchers have done the same study and obtained similar results. Still on the effectiveness of the tonic at reversing hair loss, the race of the research participants was not reported in the study, which may indicate that all participants were Koreans. This means that the participants in this study may not represent the population of Europe, where the tonic has now been approved. However, Synergen Therapeutics intends to conduct more studies with a representative sample of participants. The last issue in the study that we would like to draw attention to is the number of participants in the study. There were 45 participants in the low-dose study, and 43 participants completed the high-dose study. These numbers indicate that the study was a phase 2 clinical trial. Phase 2 clinical trials are designed to find out if a drug works and if it is safe when used in ideal conditions. But most of us do not live in ideal conditions, and the interactions of CosmeRNA with other medicines cannot be determined in a phase 2 clinical trial. Although CosmeRNA can be purchased without prescription, people using other medicines should discuss with their healthcare provider before using CosmeRNA. During the study sponsored by Synergen Therapeutics, one study participant withdrew from the study due to adverse reactions. Details of the type and severity of these adverse reactions were not reported. So, regarding adverse effects, we do not have enough information on the types and severity of possible side effects of CosmeRNA. This information is vitally important for early adopters of the product to consider because the research on side effects is not conclusive and there may be unknown adverse effects yet to be discovered. CosmeRNA is regarded as a cosmetic product, not a medical product. This makes the approval process easier. The website of CosmeRNA indicates that the product has been approved in Europe by notification on the Cosmetic Product Notification Portal of the European Union. This indicates that the European Union have done risk assessment of the product and they are confident that it is safe. You can buy CosmeRNA on its official website. The product will be shipped from South Korea. One vial of the tonic costs €300 before value-added tax, and it is expected to last 12 weeks for one user. As we mentioned earlier, the only published research study on the product showed very little increase in hair mass after using it for 24 weeks. This means that the length of time that a product must be used to obtain a full head of hair or significant hair coverage is unknown, and users should temper their expectations accordingly. We hope that this review of CosmeRNA is of value to you, and we wish you a good hair day.